Welcome to SEIKA Machinery here at SMTA Guadalajara. Delighted to be joined by Michelle Ogihara. Nice to see you again, Michelle.
Oh, always a pleasure.
Yeah,
Thank you.
You're looking very colourful today. So this is, I believe, a combination of Dia de Muerta and Halloween. Is that correct?
That's absolutely right. I always like to celebrate the holidays.
Super. Okay. All right. So, Mexico's becoming a more active area for you here, and you're standing here on one of your representatives down here in Mexico, Stentec.
Yes.
And you've got a couple of machines that they're showing on here for you, a stencil cleaner, and then behind that we're going to look at a squeegee cleaner and then a tabletop router.
That's correct.
Right.
Yes.
Okay.
These equipment in particular are becoming much more popular here, which is why we are so pleased to be able to display it and have all the attendees come and view them.
Right. So what are the key features of this stencil cleaner?
Well, this is our fully automatic EcoGrid cleaner from SAWA, and it will clean and dry within 6 minutes.
Oh, so a very fast cycle time.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah.
And also we have our optional squeegee cleaner, which is really important because now with the nickel-plated coatings that are on the squeegee edges, we want to make sure that they're cleaned properly and not dependent on operator handling.
So some of these nano coatings can get damaged if they're not careful, if you try and do it by hand and that type of thing. So by using ultrasonics, it's a little bit kinder and bit easier at removing the dried on paste.
Yes, that's absolutely the philosophy of it. Of course, the nanocoatings themselves help to release the paste from the apertures.
Yeah.
But because there's so many very fine pitch apertures and the type of different pastes and fluxes and inks that are very tacky, it's really important to have a good cleaner.
Right.
This utilizes a direct ultrasonic contact, and so as the solvent is sprayed, and it only uses 40 cc of cleaning solution, it's a closed loop system, and it's also environmentally friendly.
Okay, great. Well, it sounds like a useful little tool for sure.
That's right.
Moving on to the router that you're showing here, it's one of the very few bench-based routers on the market.
That's right.
Yeah.
Sayaka is unique that way because it provides a tabletop all the way to a fully inline automated system. And so we are featuring our tabletop router that has online software programming that is easy to program, and it comes with a full-size dust collector as well.
Right. So typically that would be used by people that are doing, say, NPI or doing lab work, or small runs, basically.
Yes, it's very flexible that way. But the takt time and the power and the reliable cutting performance allows it to be also used in the capacity of maybe several tabletop routers, working in high volume situations.
Right, excellent.
So very flexible.
Super. Okay, well, it's great to see that. So tell us a little bit about the service backup on these. You're servicing it with your service engineers from California?
We actually have service engineer here located in Mexico.
Okay, great.
And also our sales representative, actually our direct sales, along with our sales representatives here, are able to support our customers very well in Mexico.
That's super, great. Well, we wish you every success in this new burgeoning Mexico market, and it's great to see you today.
Thank you so much, Trevor.